Hello molders, it's Garrett MacKenzie, Plastic411. I'd like to introduce Tederic to you. It's a plastic injection press. It's only been around for a few years. I've put some research into this press. I'm pretty impressed with it. Extremely low cost, a lot lower cost than other presses that you're going to get from China. And on top of that, the quality of this press is just amazing. They're building it with a lot of really well engineered components. And what's nice about them, I've worked on a couple of these myself, and the presses actually made it 10 years with no service. And what we were replacing were basic wear and tear. We replaced a screw and barrel, and then we replaced a linear transducer. Really little stuff for what you're getting. So I'm going to go through some of the key points about Tederic. One thing I will mention that Plastic411 will be any presses purchased through Plastic411. I will be personally involved in the install, and then we will be also offering a free 35-point press validation to make sure that the press is in good working order before we leave the plant. So go ahead and sit back, check out the press and the build, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. So as you can see in this picture, some really well engineered equipment. In this particular application, it's twin screw and rotary table. It's one of the things they specialize in. Of course, they can just build a regular standard press as well, but you should check out the literature. There's some really good information, and later on in this presentation, we'll actually look at the turntable design and why it's built to last. It's not built to fail. Let's take a look at the multi-component injection molding machines that Tederic has to offer. So in terms of clamping unit, they offer a non-rotary table. They offer the rotary table and a rotary shaft. And in terms of rotary table structure, they have vertical and horizontal. The clamping structure, they offer basically a toggle system. It's two Platen. And then the toggle system structure, they have wide Platen or standard Platen. So as you can see, here's an example of a two Platen with a horizontal rotary, toggle system plus wide Platen with a vertical rotary. And here's our first look at the two Platen vertical rotary. So the Tederic injection units approach is outstanding. It consists of several independent injection units, multiple forms of layout, parallel, plane right angle, or diagonal. The machine can be used as a single color machine with integral translation function, and also you have the capability of adjusting distance between nozzles. Now my favorite part of this press is the Kiba Controller. Extremely friendly. Most of you know I was a big fan of Pathfinder. I would definitely say it's comparable to Pathfinder. It's got automatic detection on operation status. Fault alarms have really detailed instructions, very easy to use, very user-friendly, reliable, protective system for both the machine and the mold. And professional multi-components control procedures appropriate for all kinds of multicolor and component molding processes. Now here's a look at the rotary table structure. As you can see, it's supported by a needle roller bearing. The interval between the Platen is controlled by a thrust ball bearing. Automatically centered locking. It's locked by a cylinder before clamping. And with a support cylinder on the back, supports the table from friction with Platen when a heavy mold is loaded. So you're going to get a lot more use out of this before you end up having to service it. Just really excellent engineering. Now the rotating Platen is a very unique servo-driven rotation Platen. There's an enhanced design of the rotating Platen hollow shaft, multi-bearing support of rotating Platen hollow shaft makes the bearings greatly improved. The guide cylinders added at the end of the rotating Platen shaft to make the arrangement of waterway, oilway, and gasway beautiful and practical. So as you can see, just an absolutely beautiful machine. They put great care into the product that they provide. These presses go as high as 1,920 tons, so they cover a pretty good range of press size. These presses offer just really great opportunity in terms of multicolor applications, but they're not only limited to the multicolor, they also put out just a standard plastic injection press, but they're just they're really low cost, and the quality of this press is just immaculate, extreme. So as you can see, Tederic offers a very high quality press, and as I said before, due to the partnership, we're able to offer a Plastic411 discount for Tederic machines. We will be involved in the install, and part of that involvement will include a free 35-point validation to verify that the press is ready to run in good condition. So if you have any questions or want more information, feel free to contact me. Garrett at Plastic411.com is my email, or you can call me direct, 404-793-9834. Nice talking to you today. I just hope you get a chance to check out this press. It's a pretty awesome press. Thank you.